Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit event on a WhatsApp group. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! WhatsApp's new events feature makes it easier than ever to organize gatherings within your community groups. Whether you're planning a virtual meeting, a birthday dinner, or a neighborhood cleanup. In this video, I will show you how to create event, edit event. On my previous video, I've shown you how to create event on a group. And in this video, I will show you how to edit. Maybe you want to change the time or the name of the event name. Now you can just open your WhatsApp. You can open the group that you create the event. So here's the event. As you can see, there is an option edit event on the event on here. You can just tap on that, and here you can just change. You can edit maybe the time. Or maybe you want cancel the event. You want disable the WhatsApp calling. Maybe you want change the location of your event on here. Now after that, you can just, if you finish edit the event, you can just send it like this. Tap on the send icon. Now everyone on this group is get notified that you just edit the event. It's so simple, right? So that is how to edit event on WhatsApp group. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!